And we continue and conclude another incredible week of learning Musar Yomi together with this fabulous Hachzek program, pushing us to learn a little Musar every day, the maybe sometimes heavy words of Rabeinu Yona, but words that I'm sure slowly seep into our soul, slowly allow us to realize the severity of our actions. We're holding on page 396 in Rabeinu Yona on the article edition. Says Rabeinu Yona, we've already spoken about Lashon Hara, but now says Rabeinu Yona v'motzi shemra. There's a horrible form of Lashon Hara called motzi shemra when you defame someone. Shenamar, as it says about the Meraglim, v'yamusu anashim, those men will die. Moti dibas aretz, those who spoke the bad about the land. Dibas aretz rabim agefal of Hashem, a plague in front of Hashem. Ram Zechron of the Vracha teaches the Gemara in Erechet. And Ma'amitzi Shemra la'aretz anshe misa. Someone is Mitzi Shemra. Someone defames. But what does he defame? The Aretz, a mere inanimate land. Ha'mitzi Shemra al Ishmei Yisrael. If you defame, if you talk badly on a Yid in Klal Yisrael, shenis chayiv v'atayro v'mitzvahs, a Yid that's chayiv and Torah mitzvahs achas kama v'kama, the terrible punishment for defamation. V'nemar, and the Pesukim continue, v'anshay say mea kesef, that the elders of the city take this person, they punish him. How? They find him 100 kesef, nasla v'ya naira, they give to the father of the naira, ki hoitzi shemra, cause he issued slander on this girl. The pasuk does not mention the avera that he wanted to kill the woman, and the fact that he actually tried to bring her to death in Bezdin, Beidi Sheker, that he had false witnesses, that this woman was mizaneh shehevi al zenusai about his nus. Meaning, this guy did a horrible crime. He tried to try this woman, and this woman could have been put to death. He brought Edim that she was mizaneh, she's chaya misa, and yet what does the pasuk say? What the pasuk hones in on is that he who spoke bad about this girl slandered, defamed this woman. That's even worse than trying to cause a person's life to end. Kisara klima marmi vaves, because shame is even more than death. Similarly, the Gemara Erech teaches us when you have to pay both malchus and mam and lal tavar shabikish amisa, which is even more than if you tried to kill someone. Now, what is the reason why defamation is so severe? Teaches Rabeinu Yona of Amr Zechron of Vracha, the Chazal in Yerushalmi Bavakama explain, Kemati Shemra b'divrei fegam mishpacha. Because when you're Mitzi Shemra, you cause the family to have a bad name, to have a pegam, to have a flaw. In lo kapara lames, and there's no kapara. There's no way to do tshuva. Kiloi dayo b'mechilas achayim. It's not enough if someone says, okay, I'm meichel you, shehem achayim adena, because that's only those who are currently alive. Because you caused, when you label someone, when you give a family a bad name, you cause the future generations shame and humiliation. So very good that this guy was Michael you, but what about the children that are going to be born into a family that has this label that people talk about, that have this issue? We're going to explain in greater length. We explain about the Arba Kitais that do not have the ability to greet the Shechina, Mirza Hashem. Continues Rabeinu Yona, one who plays with young girls. What does this mean? Means he marries girls who are not able to have children. Why? Just so that he could sleep with them, which effectively is a form of Oitzas Zera Levatala. Okay, a big sugya, but let's understand the depth of the Isser he's talking about as he continues. Umenaif, and one who acts promiscuously, pain biyad, pain beregel, chayim misa. When one causes haitzas zera levatola in any form, then he is chayim misa b'dei shamayim. Amar Rabbi Zechron of the Vracha, ki oin shai, ki oinesh adar amabel shem ashchizin darkoi. The oinesh of being mighty zera levatola, of spilling seed in vain, of one who arouses himself to the point that he's mighty zar levatala is worse than the dar hamabul. Similarly, and similarly, if someone acts like Aaron Einan, which is what? That they actually are married and they actually have relations with their wife. But they don't put the seed inside the woman, rather they do it outside. in the waste the seed. That's another form of a tzah. Zera chayim misa. Shnemer v'yira b'inei Hashem asher asa v'yamas gam oisoi. V'nemer l'motzim the zer levatala, says the Navi Yeshaya, hanichamim ba'ilim tachas koleitz or anan shachatei hayadim v'chomer. You indulge in loss under every leafy tree, you slaughter his children, etc. The terrible sin of Yitzah zer levatala, and we'll begin next week from over here b'siyata de Shmaya.